I just found these old WD-40 cans. Now look at this. It's Instant Maintenance. It's from Rocket. It starts wet engines, penetrates and lubricates, displaces and repels moisture, cleans and protects all metals, lubricates, it says, penetrates and lubricates. Lubricates, what's it say? I can't see it. Sorry. Lubricates and restores something. Curtain runners, casters, pulleys, boy, look on the car, ignition, coil, plugs, distributor, cables, boats, guns, garden tools. Oh, look at that, it's got a rocket. Was that in the 50s? Rocket WD40. Seal of approval. That's pretty impressive. Specified for use for rust and corrosion prevention on the Atlas missile by the manufacturer General Dynamics. The ideal instant maintenance spray-on lubricant. It penetrates, stops squeaks, clean and protect, free up corroded and lubricate moving parts, as well as control moisture and prevent corrosion and rust. Curtain runners, casters, pulleys, hinges, locks, catches, taps, switches, prams, washers, dryers, fans, motors, chrome, copper, brass, and stainless steel. In the car, ignition, coil, plugs, distributor, high tension leads, battery, electrical parts, locks, hinges, cables, linkage, aerials, chrome, nuts, and bolts. Also bolts, boats, guns, fishing reels, garden tools, mowers, drills, bicycles, and scooters. Shake the can well and hold upright as possible.